It's pretty warm again today, so I'm going to be installing this GE Carry-Cool in the downstairs bedroom. I had the Samsung 6300 installed, but it was just oversized for that bedroom, so I took it out. I'm going to try out this GE Carry-Cool. This is the one I got last fall. Haven't used it in the window yet. This one's from 1978, and there's the one that I've had since earlier last year. I got that in spring. And that one is a 1982. So as you saw, I just got the Carry-Cool installed in the bedroom. Since I'm in the middle of doing this right now anyway, I'm going to put this 6000 BTU Whirlpool in the kitchen right now. Had this one running for quite a while now. It's working just fine. Very cold air coming out of there. And the plug isn't getting hot or anything. It's a little warm, but that's no big deal. This air conditioner has a filter in it now. I put one in it, I think last summer. And I also put a filter in that Carry-Cool that's in the bedroom that I showed before. So they all got filters now. The next units to be installed are going to be the Emerson Quiet-Cool. It's going in the dining room, and that 8000 BTU LG, which I'm going to try in the living room. I'm not sure if that one's going to stay in there for very long, but I just want to test out my modification that I did. I put the temperature sensor in a different location because it was cutting on and off. The compressor was cycling on and off too much. So I'm hoping that made a difference. It is cooler today, so we won't exactly need air conditioning today, but just want to get them installed. And there is the Emerson Quiet-Cool installed in the window. Start it up real quick. I had to remove one of the side panels because it would have been too wide for the window otherwise. Seems to be working fine. And the LG is installed. No compressor yet. It just started. This one sounds good. It's getting nice and cold.